2대1 3.
I'm ahead of the game. I'm ahead of the game. Oh, I'm only a budslinger, I'm working overtime. Got the song and I'm the singer, the melody, the vibe. I'm a prodigy, logically, I'm impossibly wanted. Then they'll remember my name. They'll remember my name. That ooh, that well, I'm ahead now. I'm ahead of the game. I'm ahead of the game.
Do you know what makes Atomy's curling essence so special? First, hair essence and styling at once. Nature-derived conditioning components coats and protects hair for moist and soft hair texture. Elasticity, flexibility, and holdability coat and fix the hair's natural curls and make naturally voluminous wavy curls without flaking. Second, don't worry about the heat. Emo Green L15 component quickly coats your hair. Prevent hair damage caused by heat when using dryers or straighteners. Third, rich nutrition. Provide naturally derived nutrition to damaged hair for hair protection and intensive treatment effect. It is very good, and instructions are even easier. Towel dry lightly after shampoo. Take an appropriate amount, about a quarter size, of the Atomy curling essence on the palm. Rub on both palms and apply evenly on the entire hair. Enjoy the scent reminiscent of spring's beauty while you are using it. After you are done applying it, dry using a hairdryer. Make curls with your hands while drying for more dramatic results. Style your hair to whatever you like with this non-sticky and refreshing essence.